sir. Thank you for calling Lux Hotel. This is Justin Errol Cantina speaking. How may I assist you? Certainly, sir. May I have your full name, contact number, and email address, please? Thank you, Mr. Cantina. May I confirm your mobile number as 0975222420 and your email address as cantina@gmail.com? Thank you. When will you be staying with us and for how many nights? Noted, sir. That will be March 5 to March 7 for 2 nights and 2 persons. We currently have a king bed deluxe and an executive room available. Which would you prefer? Excellent choice, Mr. Cantina. I have reserved a king bed deluxe for you from March 5 to March 7, 3 days and 2 nights for 2 persons. Would you like to guarantee your reservation, sir? May I know your preferred mode of payment, sir? Thank you. May I have your credit card details? Thank you, Mr. Cantina. The total amount is 50,000 for 3 days and 2 nights, inclusive of buffet lunch and for 2 persons. Your reservation is confirmed, Mr. Cantina. A confirmation email will be sent shortly. Please note that our standard check-in time is 12 p.m. Do you have any special requests, sir? Thank you for choosing Lux Hotel, Mr. Cantina. Have a wonderful day. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Lux Hotel. I am Justin El Quintero, your bell service. May I assist with you with your luggage?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you. This way to our lobby, please. Welcome to Lux Hotel. May I assist you?
I have a reservation and let me do that.
Yes, sir. Let me check first your reservation. Yes, sir. I can see your booking here. May I have your ID, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Your reservation is confirmed for 2 nights and guaranteed. Here is your ID, sir, and your key card. Your room is for 10, sir. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Here is your luggage claim ticket, sir. If you want to claim your luggage later, please give that to the bill service.
Okay, thank you.
So, how was your departure going to our hotel, sir?
So tired.
So, we are here, sir. So, your room 105. So, let me check first your room, sir. Your room is ready, sir. Please come in.
Thank you.
Allow me to put your luggage, sir. If you need any further assistance, just call the front desk officer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bell service. Good morning, sir. I have received further information that you will be checking out today, sir. May I assist you with your luggage, sir?
Yes, please.
This way, sir. Going to our lobby. Good morning, sir. Are you checking out today?
Yes.
May I have your room key card, sir, please? Thank you. Let me check your account. So everything is settled and no additional charges. So thank you for staying with us. We hope to see you again. So how was your stay with our hotel, sir?
Yeah, it's good and I'm so satisfied with your service.
Thank you for staying with us, sir. I'm hoping to see you soon, sir. Here is your luggage, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.